Do you want to keep Snapchat protected with Face ID or a passcode on iPhone? Then follow the steps in this video to learn how to do just that. This little trick is going to work on any iPhone model that has Face ID. You just have to make sure that you're running iOS 18 or iOS 26 or later in order to have this feature. So go over to your home screen and locate Snapchat. Then I'm going to long press the app until this menu appears over my screen. The option which we need is Require Face ID, so let's select it. And then I'm going to require Face ID only, because I'm going to do a separate tutorial on hiding the Snapchat application. The app is going to scan your face and enable the Face ID for Snapchat. And now every time you want to open the app, it's going to ask you to scan your face in order to open it. The feature works really fast and it's reliable. If you fail to scan the face a couple of times, Snapchat is going to ask you to enter your iPhone's passcode in order to unlock the app. So those are the steps of turning on Face ID for the Snapchat app. And if you found this guide useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to App Tutor.